Hello, goodies, and welcome to Sneha's blog. So, guys, if I talk about the Dubai visa, it will cost you around 7,000 to 7,500 per person. And if I talk about the flight, if you book the flight before 1 month, it will cost you around 20,000 per person, including both going and coming. So, guys, if you are planning for a trip to Dubai, please book your tickets in advance so that you can get it in the cheaper price. You can book the hotels online or even by visiting to Dubai. And the minimum cost of booking the hotel per night is 5,000 INR. So, the most preferred place to stay in Dubai is Port Dubai, downtown, and near Jumeirah Beach. So, guys, let's talk about the 7-day itinerary. Day 1, Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall is one of the largest and most popular shopping destination in the world, and there are many reasons why you should visit here. There is a large aquarium that you will be mesmerized to see. There are around 1200 retail stores including all the brands. Day 1 evening, Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world with 828-meter height. There are total 163 floors in this tallest building, but we are allowed to reach to the last of 143 floors. The cost of reaching to the top of the Burj Khalifa is around 3,600 INR. And if you are traveling by Emirates, then you can show your Emirates boarding pass and you can get it in little cheaper. You can enjoy the fountain show from the top of Burj Khalifa, and also you can come down and enjoy the same as it goes for every half an hour. So guys, if you are visiting on New Year, you will be experiencing this mesmerizing fire shows. Day 2, Museum of the Future. Museum of the Future is famous for its beautiful design as well as the inside attraction that shows the visitor how the world, especially Dubai, will be 50 years from now. The ticket price for the adults are 2100 INR and for children it is around 1000 INR. The museum exhibits the latest technologies such as augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Day 2, Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah is an artificial offshore island in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, the site of private residences and hotels. The palm tree shaped island, an outstanding attraction in Dubai. So, guys, if you are adventurous to try for skydiving, you can surely try, and it costs around 45,000 to 50,000 per person. Day 3, Dubai Miracle Garden. Dubai Miracle Garden is the world's largest natural flower garden, home to 150 million flowers of different varieties, and it is one of the top tourist destinations of Dubai. Dubai Miracle Garden is open from 29 September 23 to 30th April 2024, and the entry charges are 2100 per person. Day 3, Dubai Rooftop Pools. There are amazing rooftop pools in Dubai where you can swim, chill, and enjoy brilliant views from these sky-high spots. You can add to your bucket list. So guys, if you plan to go to any of these rooftop pools, please book in advance as it is very tough to get booking on spot. Day 3, Dubai Frame. Dubai Frame is an observatory, museum and monument in Zabil Park, Dubai. It holds the record for the largest frame in the world. I would recommend you to please book the ticket online as it will be more convenient, and it costs 1100 for adults and 400 for children. Day 4, Sea View and Boat Ride in Deira. The cost range from 50 AED to 150 AED for 1 hour ride. It totally depends upon your bargaining skills. They would take you across the creek until the Al Maktoum Bridge. Abra ride is one of the most exciting and cheapest way to see the Dubai Creek. Abra is a traditional boat used for sea transportation from Bud Dubai to Deira. There is a beautiful place to sit and enjoy this beautiful view. You can have your snacks or dinner and enjoy this mesmerizing view. They are not expensive as well. You can surely enjoy great time with less expense. Day 4, Grand Souk Bud Dubai. Grand Souk Bud Dubai Market gives you a great shopping experience as you will find wide variety of spices, clothes, decorative items, gifting items, and a lot more. Hence, I would recommend to visit this place at least once as it brings a variety of things that we will not find anywhere else. And the evil eyes there were so beautiful that you would love to take one to protect your home from the evil eyes. There were variety of clothes that you will find in this market, and the crockeries there were so beautiful that you would love to buy from there. Day 4, Gold Souk Market Dubai. As one of the Emirates' oldest traditional market, Dubai Gold Souk has over 350 retail trading tax-free gold of different carats, designs and weights. So if you are traveling to Dubai, male member can buy 20 grams of gold worth 50,000 and female members can buy 40 gram of gold, that is around 1 lakh. So guys, if you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe. Day 5, Jumeirah Beach. Jumeirah Beach is a white sand beach that is located and named after the Jumeirah district of Dubai, United Arab Emirates, on the coast of Persian Gulf. Jumeirah Beach is one of the best public beaches in Dubai. It is a very long and has several options for food and beverages. It is a relatively crowded beach but still has a relaxing vibe. It is one of the best places to be around sunset and golden hours. Smoky Beach is in Jumeirah Beach and it is the most famous party place in Jumeirah Beach. Smoky Beach is a cool venue by the beach for good shisha, comfort food and non-alcoholic beverages. I really like the vibe of this place and it gave me unforgettable memories. And if you are looking for something relaxing, you should definitely visit to the Smoky Beach in Jumeirah Beach and spend the quality time with the vibrant color and music and with the best shisha in Dubai. Fresh and chilled with the deep house beat and unforgettable beach view, Smoky Beach opens from 10 am to 5 am and it costs around 300 AED for 2 person. Day 6, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. So guys, you can plan a day trip to Abu Dhabi and reach to the world's largest mosque to see the massive architectural work of art. And do remember that there is a dress code, so please dress up modestly. Day 7, Desert Safari. So guys, your trip to Dubai is incomplete if you have not visited to the Desert Safari. Desert Safari includes dune bashing or sand bashing, BBQ dinner, belly dancing, camel ride, pick and drop facility. Guys, sand bashing or dune bashing is one of the out-of-box activity that you would remember for your whole life. And guys, taking this falcon on the head and the hand, firstly I was really feeling very fearful, but then I really enjoyed it. So guys, after all this, I did the camel ride and the horse ride, and then we went to the sitting area, made ourselves comfortable as the belly dancing and the fire show was about to begin. I really enjoyed the belly dance, and guys, I would recommend you to please do a little research before you book for your desert safari trip. As I did Google and searched and I got it in 50 AED. That is around 1100 per person. That includes the pick and drop facility, BBQ dinner, entertainment of belly dance and fire show, and the camel ride. All this was included in the package, and that was of 50 AED, that is 1100 per person. You can book all the activities, tours, and attractions and things to do through Klook, as Klook gives one of the best experience of your whole Dubai trip. You can book cabs through Kareem's app. It is one of the best app for booking your cabs, and also for food delivery you can use Kareem's app and Talabat. So guys, the package that you will take, it might not include Sisha. So after you reach to this place, if you feel like taking the Sisha, you can surely take the Sisha, and it would cost you around 50 AED, that is around 1100 INR. I really enjoyed the fire show, the way he was playing with the fire, that really made my day. So guys, if you have any question regarding the price of any of the adventure activities, please do comment and I will answer you. This was the amazing view of the fire show. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe.